TJ here from Arizona Firearms Tempe. We partnered with GSA a couple months back to build a smartphone app that our customers could use. Helps us by using the push notifications that really drives a call to action for the customers that come into the store. We've also built in a loyalty program within the app that really helps and incentivizes the customers and gets the repeat business for us. We utilize the push notifications. We have a built-in loyalty feature that really works well with our customers, been really well received by our customers, and we highly recommend Ryan and his team.